Hi friends! Remember Thara? She's home and she's super hungry. Let's go inside and cook something. Before we cook, let's change clothes first. Put the bag there and the shoes over there. Put on slippers, then go to the bedroom to change. Keep the hat there and change to this cute carrot duster. So cute! What do you want to cook, Thara?
Well, I want Indomie.
Indomie?
Yeah.
Okay, then, let's cook it.
First, put the noodle into hot boiling water. Since it's only a noodle, we need to add more items like vegetables and protein. Let's take the chopping board because we'll be chopping bok choy. Cook it in boiling water. And also a bit of mushroom. You can use champignon. It is easy to find in the market. Dunkin'. Put the chopping board back. The last thing is eggs. It's super yum. Just break it into the water. While waiting, let's prepare the bowl. Okay, the noodle is done. Put it into the bowl. Looks super tasty. I think we need some more crunchy things. Tell us a snack.
Good idea. We have 3 because there's a promotion buy 2 get 1 at Alpha Mart.
Okay, put it into the bowl. It is more healthy and tasty than krupuk, I think. Since we don't have one, let's grab a bit and crunch it to the top. Indomie a la Thara. Eating time. Try to make this at your home.
Thank you for watching this video.